Hi everyone and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make teriyaki sauce and teriyaki glaze. Now the teriyaki sauce can also be used as a marinade on fish, seafood, tofu, anything you really want. With this sauce, we're gonna also thicken it up afterwards, and we're gonna make a glaze out of it that you can use on ribs, burgers, practically anything. The first thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna show you how to peel fresh ginger very easily with a spoon, and then we're gonna make the sauce. So let's step up to the cutting board and work on this ginger. To get started on the ginger, all we need for this recipe is 2 tablespoons. So we're just gonna break off as much as we need. Then to peel, just take a spoon, and just like that, the skin comes off. Now that our fresh ginger has been peeled, we're just gonna grate it till we get about our 2 teaspoons that we need. Now to make the sauce, we are going to need half a cup of soy sauce, 6 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 cloves of minced garlic, 2 teaspoons of the freshly grated ginger, which I showed you how to peel and grate, and 2 tablespoons of water. And all we're gonna do is we're gonna combine all this into a mixing bowl, and then we now have our sauce and our marinade. Now you can store this in a container in your fridge for a couple weeks. And the longer it sits, the better it will be. And there you have it. That's our sauce. Now I'm going to show you what we need to turn this into our glaze. Now to thicken up the teriyaki sauce, we are going to need 1 cup of water and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. We're just going to mix that in. We're gonna head over to the stove and get the teriyaki sauce to a slow simmer. Then we're gonna dump in the slurry here to thicken it up. So let's head over to the stove. We have our teriyaki sauce on the stove on a medium-low heat. We're gonna bring this up to a simmer, and we're gonna thicken it up with the cornstarch and water. All right, it's starting to simmer. We're gonna slowly add in our cornstarch mixture a little bit at a time until we get the consistency we're looking for. Right, we got all the cornstarch in. This is gonna take a couple minutes till it fully thickens up. It is a little cloudy right now, but as it cooks, it will clear up. All right, now let's check the thickness. We're gonna take the back of a spoon. It's clinging on perfectly. Wipe, separates perfectly. Now let's head over to the cutting board, let this cool down and get a taste. And that's our teriyaki glaze. It's really simple, comes together in a matter of 10 minutes. It's homemade, it's amazing. Let's taste it. Careful, it might be hot. That's good stuff right there. It's sweet from the brown sugar, a little bit of that tartness from the soy, the fresh garlic, ginger. It's really good. To complement fish, ribs, chicken, pork, whatever you want to put it on. If you like what we're doing here, hit that thumbs up button. Check us out on Facebook and Instagram at HomeHeadChef. Thanks for stopping in, and we'll see you next time.